Hi, Shema Polot here. Welcome back to the channel. So ages ago, I did a what's in my bag video. That was this Bellroy bag right here. It's one of the most popular videos I've ever made. With all the Excel stuff I do, you guys are interested in my bag. Who would have thought? But the good news is I got two new items, which is a Bellroy slim sleeve wallet and a Bellroy, I think it's called a City Pouch Premium. And because one, I love Bellroy products, and two, I like nice things, but also because I actually needed them. My wallet was really old, and so it was about time I got a new one. So I got the slim sleeve. It's very minimalist, doesn't really have a pouch for cash, which is just the way I like it. And then the City Pouch Premium is a bag that I would use to carry around when I'm traveling, where I can put my phone and my AirPods and my passport and my shades, maybe just a few things. So that's what I would use it for, to be on the go when I travel, or maybe even just in town in Kampala, you never know. But yes, so I'm going to unbox these two right now. So let's get into it. Okay, so I've been trying to get a new wallet for a long time, as well as this pouch, which I'll show you in a second. But yeah, so the wallet is from Bellroy, one of my favorite company that makes fantastic leather goods. And yeah, we are going to unbox it really quickly. One of the things I love about Bellroy products is they have, I think, a lifetime warranty or a there we go, get it in there. A 3-year warranty. Which usually isn't even necessary because the products last a lot longer than that, which is really the reason why I pay a pretty penny to get them, because better to buy something that lasts you a lifetime than buy a new wallet every 6 months because the wallet keeps breaking. Okay, so now I need to get this thing out of here. All right, there we go. Wallet was in that space. Nice orange. How do I get this in? This side. All right. So, day one, let's make it count. Okay, I like the deep orange in there. Super fancy. Let's get rid of that. Okay. Here is the wallet. Ah, it feels so nice. This is like a nice little matte. I don't know what color this is. Beige? What color is this? What color is this? I don't know what color this is. Yeah, anyway. It says here it's called a slim sleeve, and it takes up to 12 cards and folded bills. Again, which is nice. I like minimalist wallets because I don't like to carry a lot of cash, because for me that's a saving mechanism. If I carry cash, I usually have no idea where it ends up. So, get rid of that. Oh. Then here is the wallet. It's so nice and tiny and soft. Feels amazing. Bellroy logo right there, nice and leather. And there we go. On the inside, nice little card showing a slim sleeve, slim design to reduce pocket bulk, up to 12 cards, pull tab access, foldable bills. Okay, so what happens is I can put a bunch of cards in there and pull them out using that little pull tab, and then this is where I fit all my cards. And this is where I'll put all the cash. Yeah, this is as simple as that. It feels amazing. This is like very high premium leather. It feels expensive, which is what I was going for. But yeah, so there's my slim sleeve new wallet. So I get to get rid of that old wallet of mine that I had. All right, let's put that away. Now, the pouch. So the pouch is like a tourist pouch that you would wear that you wear when you're traveling, or if you go to a concert and you want to put all your phones and stuff inside it. That's what I have in mind for using this pouch. It is called the City Pouch Premium. There we go, made by Bellroy. I got the black. I got it in black because black is my favorite color. There we go. Take it out of its bag. So this bag looks pretty simple. Looks like that recyclable stuff that they're giving out in supermarkets these days. Put that there. And this is the pouch. This black part is leather. It feels incredible. Feels expensive. Again, exactly what I'm going for. Bellroy logo right there. a bunch of eco-certified leather, City Pouch Premium Edition. This is probably just some extra branding stuff and telling me what's inside the wallet, sorry, inside the pouch. But yeah, so then open it up. It has a G-clip, which is this feels like nylon. This is a G-clip. This is probably what I would use to attach my keys. Let me get my keys real quick. The keys are there. Right, so if these were my keys, I would just attach my keys like that and throw them inside that pouch. So then here, I wouldn't put a lot of things in here. So I'd probably put, if I was traveling, maybe a passport, maybe my phone, and maybe something else. Let me get my phone and see if it fits. Okay, so this is a iPhone 8 Plus. So fits just about right. Okay, so then there's probably space for the wallet if I wanted to put it in here versus my back pocket, because apparently putting wallets in your back pocket is bad for your back. But yeah, there you go. Then maybe I could add a thing or two. Maybe I could add shades. Let me get my glasses. Yeah, so I could add my glasses. I could put them in there as well. Yeah, there's a bunch of other things I could cram in here, but for now, yeah, that makes sense. Close it up. Then these, this is the string that would go over my shoulder. Just figure out a way to open this in a disciplined fashion. Well, so much for discipline. Let me just rip that as well as I can. There's probably a piece of tape here somewhere that I can't seem to find. There we go. Let me take these out of the short. Okay. So then, yeah, this is the pouch. Now, one of the things that I notice is that it isn't the same thickness, right? So this side is thin, then the part that probably goes around your shoulder is just a little bit bigger, which I'm assuming is supposed to tell me that they want to make it comfortable around my shoulder. I don't know if that actually works. I'll have to let you know after using it for a while. But these are obviously adjustable with these clips right here. So this is what I would use to make it, just to do that, to make it longer so it can fit over my shoulder. But yeah, otherwise, this is what the pouch looks like. Feels really nice. This part is leather. This part is that sort of bag material. I don't know what that bag material is called. But yeah, I really like the feel of the leather. There is a zip here as well, which could take some other things. Maybe I could put my AirPods in there, other tiny trinkets, maybe coins, God forbid. And this pouch here at the back could also take something. Maybe that pouch could also take the phone, right? I could also stick the phone in there and then put this on the chest. So this is the part that would go on my chest. That would just be a way to access the phone a lot faster. But yeah, so then I would put AirPods in here. Then in here would leave room for some other stuff that maybe I deem important. But yeah, I think I would switch the wallet, and put these shades inside this snug little pocket. That feels a lot more protected there, just to protect it from getting scratched. But yeah, so in here there are 3 compartments. There's this, there's that, and there's that. The one on the outermost side is the biggest pouch. And then this has a little small space where I could probably put a pen or something like that. But yeah, otherwise, pouch looks amazing. Can't wait to take it out for a spin. Yep, fantastic product by Bellroy. If you see me wearing this randomly on a Tuesday, don't judge me. I like nice things. All right, peace.